MWESB certification is a free certification available to small businesses that meet certain size and revenue standards. The initialism MWESB stands for Minority, Women, and Emerging Small Business. The basis for certification was created through state legislation and was created in part to ensure state and local government agencies that sought to target outreach and contract notification information to historically underutilized businesses were in fact reaching the businesses they intended to reach. Additionally, by consolidating the certification process for all state and local government agencies, small and disadvantaged businesses would only have to go through one certification process to be recognized throughout the state. Businesses should consider MWESB certification for a variety of reasons. Perhaps the most significant reason is the certification will increase your exposure to public agencies. Being certified as an MWESB business does not guarantee you will be awarded contracts with public agencies, but it increases the likelihood you will hear about opportunities you may previously never have known existed. By getting your business certified as minority-owned, women-owned, or as emerging small, your business name and profile of your capabilities will be entered into an online database maintained by the state and accessible to all Internet users. Getting certified may also help you with private sector opportunities, as a number of large local companies look to the state's database of MWESB certified businesses to meet their supplier diversity goals. To get certified as an MWESB business, you will need to complete a State of Oregon certification packet and mail or hand deliver the completed packet to the address listed on the form. The following tutorial will show you how to navigate to and through the certification process on the state's website and will highlight one area of particular importance for any business: making sure your scope of services is specific and accurate. The first step is to log on to the State of Oregon's Office of Minority, Women, and Emerging Small Business website by entering the web address displayed and highlighted at the top of this page. Next, click on the certification type that you would like to apply for. The county encourages businesses to apply for all of the certifications they qualify for. For the purposes of this tutorial, I've selected the Minority Business Enterprise Certification. The Minority Business Enterprise Certification packet is the same packet as the Women Business Enterprise Certification packet. Next, scroll down the page until you reach the Application section. Click on the Word format version of the application packet. Either the Word or the PDF version will work, but you may find the Word version easier to work with. Next, review the checklist to make sure you have all of the information on hand that you will need to complete the packet. Once you've collected all the necessary documentation you will need to complete pages 8 through 11, turn your attention to page 9 of the certification packet. Page 9 of the certification packet is where you will enter the NAICS codes that correspond to the goods and services you provide. This is also your opportunity to customize your certification and to ensure your internet searchable profile will be as detailed and accurate as possible to make it easier for agencies such as Multnomah County to find you when looking for businesses that offer specific goods or services. This is also where having selected the Word format of the certification packet will benefit you by enabling you to fit the descriptive information you want to include into the business capability field on the form. Once you've completed pages 8 through 11, you'll need to sign and date page 12. You are now ready to mail or hand deliver your certification packet along with any required supporting documentation to the state. You may want to follow up with the state after allowing time for receipt of your packet to make sure you have not missed anything that might delay your certification. Due to the specific and often unique nature of many intermediate level procurements, the keyword and key phrase search features are important tools that Multnomah County Central Purchasing relies on to identify potential MWESB vendors. The following slides will demonstrate how the keyword feature might be used by purchasing staff to identify vendors who have the specific skills or experience a particular solicitation requires, and will contrast this approach to a more broad commodity code-based search for the same service. First, we go to the main search page for the State of Oregon's MWESB database and select the Keyword Search option. Next, we enter the keywords we want to search for. In this case, we're looking for framing contractors with specific experience installing steel stud framing. To try to refine the search, we enter the words steel and stud, select the Match All Words option, and then hit Submit. A total of 9 contractors are identified who have included the words steel and stud in the Supplemental Business Capability section of their certification application. To demonstrate how the Commodity Code Search option may identify too many businesses for an intermediate procurement opportunity, we return to the main search page on the State of Oregon's MWESB database. This time, we select the search option titled Search for Active Firms by NAICS Code. Next, we select the option All NAICS Codes and then hit Submit. Then we scroll down the page until we reach the code for framing contractors. Select the corresponding code and then hit Submit. A total of 103 contractors are identified. For a small dollar value project, it would not be practical for the county or in the best interests of the contractors to contact 103 businesses to solicit bids. Taking the time to include the key words and key phrases that might differentiate you from your competition may be the difference between being contacted for an intermediate level procurement and not being contacted at all. For more information about Multnomah County's programs and contracting opportunities, please contact John Klassen in Central Purchasing.